Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. So y'all, it's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm getting ready to go home soon. My plan is to leave this evening, but it depends on when I have everything that I need to do finished. Pretty much now, y'all, I have volunteered to make the mac and cheese. So I went and got all the ingredients last night. And y'all, I have never made macaroni and cheese before, so I don't know what this is about to come out like, but I'm over here watching Teeny. If y'all don't know Teeny, she's on TikTok. Teeny be cooking. But she has a viral mac and cheese recipe, so I'm following hers. So now I'm just letting my water boil for the pasta. Y'all, my place really needs cleaning up so bad, so y'all ignore the mess around me. We got 3 cheeses. I got mozzarella, sharp cheddar, and Colby Jack cheese. So I shredded the cheese last night so I could already have that out the way, and then I'm getting ready to just mix everything together now. Last year I made the cabbage, y'all. My parents didn't like it. Me and my sister liked it. Y'all know everybody's taste buds are different, so I pretty much got the exact ingredients that Teeny used for hers. So, but I feel like I'm trying to make a smaller batch than what she made with all her ingredients. But this is Teeny, y'all. Y'all see that I got the computer set up in the kitchen with me, so. And here's my little cheese grater. I got this at Target, and I feel like it helped me get the cheese together pretty quick, so.
Amen. And amen.
Amen.
God is so good.
The roll.
I'm trying to figure out what to eat first.